So in this session, we'll be continuing with the numbers where we are doing with the floats, right? So we talk it as floats. So floats is nothing but your decimal point. So any number with a decimal point is called float, right? So let us work with the some of the decimal point values. So normally, suppose I say that I want to add two values. Same, we do this addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Suppose the 0.08 plus say I say 0.56, right? So these are the two floating point values that I am adding. So then shift plus enter, you find it is giving you the value as 0.64. This is the addition part, right? Next part is that we do the multiplication part. So we'll do the multiplication part. Suppose I say 0.45 into 0.23 and I put it shift plus enter, it will give you the multiplication and it give you the decimal values. And similarly, if you can do multiply an integer and the floating point value, you can do that 2 into say 0.2. So shift enter, you find 0.4. So here I am multiplying the integer value called 2 into a floating point value, which is 0.2, and which gives you the output of 0.4. So similar way you can do the divisions also. Suppose I say 0.8 divide by with an say integer value called 7. Shift plus enter, you find that it will give you the value this one. So as I said, the Python is also acting as like a calculator where you can work on that.